Gemoy, tiktok ya. Ayo.
When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John and to that feeling we're just getting started.
Gemoy.
When the lights get colder and the rhythm starts to falling behind.
Gemoy lagi aktif-aktifnya. Gemoy itu berusia 2 bulan. Gemoy, lagi ngapain lu? Nyariin. Gemoy. Jangan lupa di subscribe ya guys, di like, oke. Bantu Gemoy.